Hello guys, I hope all are you fine. Today is my video on the behavior of man, the behavior of person. Wake up and dare to live today as the most important day of your life. Wake up, free yourself, encourage yourself to do what you want to achieve. Don't lose one more moment. There will be time in eternity, forever. Rest in peace. Wake up, creation, you must learn to contemplate a sunrise, a flower, a bird's singing. Learn to be alive, to passionately live the opportunity you have today to live. Wake up with your longings, forge the world you want to achieve. Dream with open eyes and don't chase to dream until you become reality. Wake up, contemplate the miracle around you. You are a real miracle. Today you are alive and must have more than one reason to be happy and continue. Wake up, stop being a sleepwalker, a simple viewer, and become the main author of the most important work. Be the main protagonist of your own life. Wake up, became that force that world needs of the beings who have delivered their existence to make something better. Make up your mind to leave your essence, your scent, because you reached for a star. Wake up and dare to live today as the most important day of your life. Wake up and dare to live today as the most important day of your life. A person is huge. A person is huge when he talks head on and lives according to what he says. When he treats with affection and respect. When he looks into his eyes and smiles candidly. A person is gent when interested in your life. When looking for alternatives to your growth. When dreaming together with you. When trying to understand even though they don't think the same as you. But he's small when he lets go by clinch behaviors, when he wants to look good with everyone, when he handle people who came least and pupitre. A person is great when a person is great when he forgives, because if you forgive everyone, you have a great person, because greatness came when you forgive to others on their mistakes. In our life we have do many mistakes, so forgive all of them who you hurts anytime, and most of time hurted by someone, so forgive to them. So a person is great when he forgives, when he understands, when he places himself in the place of the other, when he works not only according to what he accepts of him, but what he accepts from himself. The main reason behind that, we have most expectations to others, and that is the reason of we are hurting many times. If we not accept to others, we accept ourselves, we don't be hurt by anyone. So please believe on yourself and understand what is the reason behind that. If someone do that thing, ask the reason. But he is small when he disappoints, when he hurts, when he acts proud, when he is not sportive, when he lies, when he does not know how to apologize. A person is great when he knows how to give, when he is not afraid to receive, when he characterizes joy, when faced with sadness, when he dominates anger. But it is insignificant when you despise, when you forget favors, when you only seek your sign. your interest, your well-being. He gets even more dwarf when he assaults, when he falsifies his testimony, when he kills with melodies. A person is big when he extends his hand, when he closes his mouth and open his heart, and when his sensitivity is as big as his size. So friend, we always we trust ourselves. We will believe in ourselves. We can be on 5 to 6 ways. Change your perspective. And self belief is realizing that you and only you are the driver of your own life and own success. Conquer your limiting beliefs. Asking how to believe in yourself. Open the door for a deeper question. Practice self love. Always love yourself. You are the one who change your life. Create healthy routines. Healthy routines is best thing. It's with your personal power and you need to adopt new routines. Unlock the power of proximity. Learning how to believe in yourself is like running a race set on uphill course. You will need fuel for the journey. Feed your mind. The law of attraction is just not about you associate with. It's also about how you feed your mind. So guys, always you focus on your aim and believe yourself. You will achieve anything in your life. Thank you. Guys, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you.